there's a few different ways to make sure when you're finding an image for a document or website or other application that is of decent resolution for what you're trying to do. Always remember these, even with these techniques considered, if you're using your eyes, it doesn't look good. Even if it's high resolution, it's probably, it was just a poorly taken photo with poor equipment or poor technique. So to find specific sized images, go ahead and go to the image option in the Google search to filter results for images, just images. If you hover your cursor, your mouse over the images, you'll see that it shows you the resolution at the bottom. That is a good place to start. And you might not necessarily be able to find the size exactly that you're looking for. So go to search tools and size. You know, there's handy. We're not going to cover all of these, but we can look for color, type of photo, when it was posted, whether you're allowed to use it or if it's something that's copyrighted. But for size, of course, the more tools for size. If you're not looking for anything completely specific, you can pretty easily select the medium or large tabs, and you can see for the medium option, it looks like about 400 pixels and up is about what we're getting, 400 to 500 pixels. Most of the medium images are going to be good for a smaller picture, a modest size picture in a website or document. Usually you're okay with the medium images, although we don't really have to worry these days about going much bigger. So again, as you can see now that we've put the medium filter on, we're getting results that are pretty decent sized. Large are going to be more full-size screen images. As we can see, we're getting into the thousands of pixels. So again, we can hover over, or we can use the search tools and get a little more specific. You can say larger than certain sizes. Let's say you want a minimum of 600 pixels. That could be a good way to go also. So now you'll see that everything is at least 640 by 480. So that's a second method, is picking larger than. Again, for most applications these days, I would say at least 640 by 480, if not 800 by 600. Now, if you're looking for something exactly a certain size, for instance, most of our screens these days are regular 1080 high def. If you want something as a background, it's always nice to search for exactly 920 by 1080, and this allows you to find images that will fit on the back of a screen quite easily. One last step to make sure that we are not downloading low resolution images is make sure that you're not taking the image from this preview screen. On the Google preview screen in the image filter search, these are just previews of the image. They're not full-sized images, because if these were all full-sized images of these large pixel counts, the page would possibly still take some time to load, especially if you're on a mobile device or mobile network, that sort of thing. So make sure when you, let's say we want this delicious sample right here, you have to make sure to click on the image, the preview, and then this version of the image is actually the original image. This is the full 1600 by 1071 pixel image. You can also do the view image to get just the image if you'd like to see it. Something that's handy about Google Chrome is to move an image to a new tab. To use it, all you have to do is click on the image and hold and drag it to the new tab, and it moves you over.